some lunch, and this is my outfit for today. Every morning the like tree sinks onto the car like this when it rains, which is so weird. But anyways.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that looks really good. There's rice, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
I actually just uploaded a video and I need to prepare it for the live date, so I'm gonna go and edit all those features. So this video right here is going up very soon. Probably by the time you guys see this video, it's already up. So this is probably the one that I'm gonna stick with. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add some more things yet, but so far I do really like this color enhancement. It's very, very warming. So I'm thinking, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to keep the warm hues because this is so nice. Like, that is amazing. All right, I'm gonna save it. I did animate this actually. I always make my little drawings and things like that. This little guy. Hello. 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 So today's video is sponsored by ASUS, so thank you so much to ASUS for sponsoring today's video. I've worked with them in the past, as you guys know, and yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys today's product. So this model right here is actually the ASUS VivoBook Flip 14 TP470. So this one's really cool because it has a 360 hinge, which means that basically it folds all the way back. The fact that you can turn this into a tablet is probably like my favorite feature. This laptop also has a color blocking, as you can see on the enter key. It comes with this pen and this magnet which sticks to the side of the computer right here. This device also uses the latest 11th generation Intel Core processors, which just means that multitasking is a lot more smooth sailing. So some benefits of the 11th gen processor is that it has up to 2 times higher graphics performance, and this is because it's with Intel Iris Xe graphics, which is really great for video editing. It also has up to 1.25 times productivity performance. As always, I'll always have details down below and a link down below for you guys if you guys want to check that out. We are going to dinner tonight with Clint's cousin, as in we're having dinner at theirs because they're setting up kbbq because his mom's setting up kbbq, which is really, really nice. So we have to go out and get some cake or something. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up my work now and go to dinner. So I showered and I got this device sent from Mecca. So thank you to Mecca for sending this. They sent like a goodie bag like a month or 2 ago, and I only like probably went through it the other day and I saw this. This is PMD personal microderm. I just thought it'd be cool to test out on camera, and it's like an at-home version so you can do it yourself. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I put my face mask on. I was using Innisfree Jeju Volcanic Color Clay Mask. This is the purifying one. I'm on a bit of a skin frenzy right now. My skin's been getting like random little bumps here and there, which you can't see because of the camera quality, but yeah. Also, you guys keep asking about the shirt on Instagram, so I'll link it down below here in this video for you guys. It's like super rainy outside as well today. I'm still preparing my podcast because I am just doing it from scratch at home because I didn't really know how else to go about it. And literally I bought this like mic not even a few years back, just like a year or so back, and I was originally going to use it for ASMR because I just liked ASMR, so I thought I'd be doing it. But you know what, it's come to use because I can use it to record my podcasts. Yeah, that's coming out hopefully soon. I'm not sure, maybe by the time this video's out, I don't know, but either way it's coming very soon. Please check out my Instagram to stay updated, I guess, about that, because yeah, it's a lot more work than I had anticipated and it's really hard to put together. I think it's just because I keep re-recording like episodes that I'm planning on doing, because I'm like, oh, like I want to say this and I want to say that now, and so I re-recorded everything like 3 times already. I'm gonna do it one more time and that'll be my final. So I think I have pink eye in this eye. It's like so red, but I don't know what it is. I came like just as they finish. We have nothing else here to eat, so I made this. Three chicken schnitzels. Babe, I made chicken schnitzels. Okay. It's actually the new year now when this vlog comes out. This keeps like sliding if I angle it up, but I don't know, I'll stop it. I want you guys to comment down below your New Year's resolutions. I have a lot, but it's just more like self-improvement, self-development kind of things. I definitely want to be more, what's the word, on top of things this year, but also look after my mental health, because I realized that was a real thing last year, because I never got like stressed out or anxious about things before until last year. And that was really bad for me because I would just always be like anxious, which is like really bad. So focused on priorities, which is what I did last year, but I need to carry that through this year. I would say I want balance in my life, but like I feel like life balance doesn't really exist in terms of like you got to choose between one or the other. Like literally it doesn't. Like you can't be wanting to go out with people whilst focusing on like on things you want to do, because it's like you can't really do both at the same time, because once you start going out it's like really fun and it's like hard to stop, and then once you're like into the group of work you find it hard to like see people, which is what I found last year. So now I'm just like, well, I guess I will have to self-sacrifice, which is something I want to talk about on my podcast. So yeah, comment down below your New Year's resolutions. I would love to hear, and yeah, let me know. Oh, this is so good. I feel like I had a really hard time with like friendships last year, just because like I couldn't see anyone. Not I couldn't, like I'm sure a lot of people couldn't, but even when the time came around in Sydney where we had restrictions unlocked and stuff, like I still didn't really see anyone. So I felt very separated and segregated, which has its benefits and also its, you know, downside, is that, you know, you're not as close with everyone anymore. And like that didn't really hit me until I thought about it more, and I was like, wait, this is kind of bad. Just from like a normal perspective where you like should have social balance in your life. But I don't know, that's been tricky for me, because I felt like I saw so many people during first year of uni, and because I saw people so often it made me feel like, I don't know, it was pretty fun. And then I went to like cocoon this year, partly because of the virus, but also because I was trying to stay more focused, because I realized that first year uni was really distracting on like other parts of my life, which isn't bad. It was good because it was like, oh, I got to experience first year uni, but after that I was like, oh god, I can't fall into the hole further. So like, good thing I kind of like dipped out. And yeah, it's been refreshing. But now I'm like, wow, like how do you keep up with people? Like it's so hard, unless if you do like similar activities or if you see them often. Like I know like with friendships you don't have to be seeing each other all the time, but still it's like it helps obviously when you see people more often. You feel more connected, you're like still know what's going on in each other's lives. It's like, I don't know, I guess like I miss that tiny bit. But you know, again, priorities and sacrifice. Well, like you say, we have to eat it anyways. Next week is a fresh start. I'm gonna buy some ingredients for Sichuan stuff so that we can make it at home and still be satisfied with French. So this is like way later now, but I'm finishing up my admin and I'm about to go to bed now. So yeah, for that, I just want to say good night. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys have a very, I don't know when this video is going up, but Happy New Year. It's like a bit late now, but anyways, still Happy New Year. I love you guys and I will see you guys very, very soon. I'm definitely going to bed now. We're off to get some lunch and then we're gonna get some work done as well. So we're going to Coles to get some groceries because we're having kbbq tonight. And yeah.
We are? I don't know.
Didn't I tell you? We bought like a bunch of pork belly, beef, some other stuff, and yeah. But yeah, we forgot some lettuce and cabbage, so we're gonna go get that now.
Okay, wait, is Coles Flybys?
Yeah.
I went to campus, so it's fine. Is it too hot? Nah, it's good. I think the pork is good.
We have some lettuce, 2 different kinds.
I'm gonna wait. I don't know.